going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to clear your Instagram cache on your iPhone so you can free up a lot of space in here which is actually being eaten up by your Instagram account. For example, I'm here on settings on iPhone storage, and if I scroll down in here you can see that Instagram is eating up around 1.6 gigabytes of storage, which is a lot of data being eaten up in here. You can clearly see the documents and data are occupying around 1 gigabyte of storage, which is data that you don't even access every single day. These are basically cache files, and I'm going to show you how to delete those. Cache files are basically temporary files which are stored in your device to turn your processing life much faster and easier. So every time you open up Instagram, for example, it doesn't need to re-download, for example, your profile picture or your main profile pictures. So it temporarily saves those files that you keep constantly downloading the same and the same and the same. But if you're running out of space, of course, it's important to clear cache so you can actually free up a lot of space. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into today's tutorial in here, we'll jump into Instagram real quick by simply typing Instagram in here. Let me select the app. Here we go. We're now on Instagram real quick. Let me hop into my profile. This is my Instagram profile. Make sure you follow if you want to get updated to any post that I make here on YouTube as well as on IG. So over here, we'll tap on this 3 lines in here at the top right corner. Next up, we'll scroll down and tap on your activity under archive. Tap on your activity. Next up, we'll tap here on recently deleted. So over here, you can actually view stories or posts that you've deleted recently. So what Instagram does is it stores temporarily as if it's a recently deleted file. And that specific file occupies some space. If I tap in here, for example, this is an old post that I've made. I can tap on these 3 little dots and tap on delete. And this will somehow reduce the space being eaten up here by cache on my IG or Instagram application. Okay, so you may be having here many posts. If you actually post a lot, you might be having your storage being occupied by a larger space. So double check this, actually delete a few posts in here. And another thing I would recommend you guys to do is to actually go to recent searches here down by scrolling down. Tap on recent searches and you'll be able to see all recent searches that you've done in here. You may be having many. Simply tap on X on each of them or tap on clear all to actually delete those recent searches. Now, if this doesn't help a lot, simply go back into settings in here, go back to iPhone storage, okay, here under general as we've already hopped in. Tap on Instagram, and then what you want to do in here is simply offload the app and then re-download it. By tapping here on offload, what the app essentially will do, it's going to remove all its data, and then you're going to tap once again on reload to actually re-download that specific app. What it's going to do, it's going to delete all documents and data which you do not need because you can re-download it every time you open up Instagram, right? The only space which is actually being occupied by Instagram itself is only 500 megabytes. So all this extra storage in here is basically a necessary space being eaten up by Instagram with useless files. So you want to get rid of that by tapping on offload and then tapping once again on reload. Alternatively, if you want to really take things to the next level, you can simply tap on delete app, re-download the Instagram app, and then re-log in into your IG here in order to reinstall it from scratch and free up much more space. Now, please note that this is something that you can do with Facebook as well and other applications to free up a lot of space in here. I hope this video really helped you out. If you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know in the comment section down below if you do have any questions or doubts. Thanks for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.